The following video is rated PG-13, which may contain scenes and themes unsuitable for viewers under 13.
Yeah, but what about the taxes? Look, I'll sort them, alright. Just shut up and don't talk to me until I count down. Bye. Alright, what's the big idea?
What does it look like? I'm playing Fall Guys on my iPad.
It's called Stumbled Guys, you idiot. It's a stupid Fall Guys ripoff.
Just what the hell are you talking about? Stumble Guys and Fall Guys are the same game. They even have Mr. Beast in that game, too.
Well, tell Mr. Beast to fuzz off, because there's no way in hell I'll ever play that game. I hope you'd better be cooking something good.
Just another average day of a chef pig, huh? Well, you can't have enough of it.
Alright, listen. You do know that Zach and I were close colleagues. He was a businessman and I'm the mud boss. We're both criminals, yes, but we had a normal life. However, there is something that we have to do.
Really? What's that?
We're gonna blow up a building.
Where on earth have you been? We almost called the police when we worried ourselves sick about the both of you.
Dad, please shut up and listen to what we're going to say. There is something that we'd like to announce.
What? You guys are going on prom night.
We're getting married, fam.
What? Married? Is that why you've been away the whole time?
We just didn't want you guys to know about this until now.
Chuck, that is out of this world. Congratulations.
Thank you, brother. I couldn't be more thankful.
So when is the wedding due?
I'm not sure. But I can assure you that there will be flowers, orchids, and many other things. I mean, what can possibly go wrong?
Who the hell are you?
What's it to you, Hal? I am a new furry goo, living on the block. Can I say? You're new and flat me.
Howard, it's Zach. I know it's been a long time since I haven't called you, but could we please meet up this afternoon? There are loads of things to talk about. What do you mean you can't? Are you busy or something? Well, geez man, you're useless to me. If you don't want to talk to me, why bother calling? Fine. Stuff you then. I'd rather not see you there anyway.
Together, you and I forever and ever. No matter where you are, you're my guiding star. And from the very first moment I saw you, I never felt such emotions. I'm walking on air just to know. You are there, hold me in your arms, don't let me go. I want to stay forever, closer each day, home and away.
Was zum Teufel? What happened?
Aria's in there. Please get her out.
What? No way. I can't just risk my life for here.
Then just do something. Call the fire department. Please.
ZsóZsó hiány. Jól van, kisasszony.
I don't know.
I feel like there are flames burning my body.
Akkor ki kell vinnünk innen. Gyerünk!
I mean, I just didn't expect Kiff to walk onto our doorstep. I thought she was just a visitor.
Like visitors enter with luggages.
You don't know what I'm talking about. Ever since Orange died, nobody knew what would happen to his room. All that is left in there are his memories. I think Kiff wants to move in there and sleep there.
Who says that I'm moving in? What's with the stare? Oh, come on, Blue! You should have known! I was only teasing you.
Yeah, right.
Cheers, what are you doing here? This is supposed to be an Anne's night party.
Well, sorry. I didn't realize I was walking into a bad crowd.
Would you like to dress up as a princess, Uncle Terrence?
Oh, I could just slap you right now.
Well, if I can't be the princess, maybe I can be Mario all night long.
Bill, if you got what it takes, Terrence, go for it! Hey, excuse me, did we even invite you to this party?
The name's Candle. Candle Fox. You remember the time we were in school together?
How did you know Dr. Fox's home address?
Right now, Kiff is the only problem in my life. Did you guys begin to notice that Kiff slept with the only man I ever had in my life?
And who's that?
It's Hal Kettleman, you fool! Are you short of memory or something?
But I barely know him.
Still though, I think the only reason you started to date him just so you could try to calm him down after his friend died. He is my boyfriend, not yours! So if you want to get your claws into him, good luck, because you're gonna have to get through me first.
Nemrég fejeztük be a nyomozást az ön cége a légrugók robbanásai ügyében. A robbanást a jelek szerint egy bőröndben robbantott bomba okozta. Nem tudjuk, ki okozta ezt, de igyekszünk minél hamarabb megtalálni a gyanúsítottat. Sajnos azonban nem tudom megerősíteni, hogy az ön cége valaha is újjáéled.
Okay, da. You.
Who? Me?
Yeah, you. I know why you did it. I want to know why you blew up air springs.
What the hell are you talking about?
Don't mess with me, Howard. I thought you trusted me. I thought we worked together, and all the time you stabbed me in the back. You blew up my building just so you could try to destroy my reputation. Is that what you're trying to do?
I was just doing my job, that's all.
The hell you are. You were threatening to tear down my life apart, and I won't just stand there and let you do it. The police are gonna find out exactly what you've done.
Oh yeah? Well, what would Arya say about what a disgrace you are? Well, it'll be too late. Because within the next few hours, I'll make sure you'll never see her face again. And once that happens, I'll lead an army of pigs that can destroy the city. There's no turning back.
Hal, I thought you said Blue was supposed to be here in 10 minutes.
Dude, calm down. She's probably still trying out her wedding dress. She'll be here soon.
Wow! I really like your uniform, Terrence.
Thanks. That's the same outfit I tried out while we went shopping many months ago.
Yay! I wish I was Chuck's best mom. Why wasn't I the best man?
You're Chuck's nephew found, and where the heck is Red? He's probably away doing his job elsewhere. I don't even know where he is here.
He's gonna miss the wedding, just for sure.
Oh, here we go. She's coming.
Wish me luck.
There he is.
Ralph, she looks gorgeous. Eek-yow. She looks totally unrecognizable with that hair. I mean, who even is that woman? Axel, shoot up!
Dearly beloved, we are gathered here on this beautiful day to witness the union of Anne in holy matrimony. This is a day of great celebration and reverence, on which we come together before God to recognize and commemorate the sacred love and dedication shared between these two people. It is wonderful to have family and friends here to join us today. The groom and bride would like to thank their guests for being here, and would like you to know that each of you were invited here on this day because you have played an integral part in their intertwining lives. Do you, Yellow Bird, take this woman, Blue Bird, to be your lawfully wedded wife?
I do.
And do you, Blue Bird, take this man, Yellow Bird, to be your lawfully wedded husband?
I do.
Very well. By the power vested in me and the co-cathedral of Our Lady of Magias, I may pronounce you husband and wife. You may now kiss the bride.
so beautiful. I just can't believe I was there to see.
Yes. That's my boy. Will do.
Well done, Meg. Well done.
Thanks, bud.
Are you Mufflin?
What the hell do you want?
Wow, this was the best wedding we've ever had in our lives.
I know. It was the time of our lives, and we will never forget that day. Not even on Christmas.
So what's our destination for our honeymoon? Shall we go to Florida?
Great idea. Let's go.
Hi, what are you guys doing here?
Bird úr, szeretnénk, ha velünk jönne a rendőrségre.
Can it wait? We were just about to go on our honeymoon.
Nem itt az ideje nászútra menni. Kérjük, jöjjön el a rendőrségre, különben vádat kell emelnünk ön ellen.
For what?
Te és Brú testvérek vagytok. Nem szabad így szeretni egymást. Nyíregyházán illegális a vérfertőzés elleni házasság, és úgy gondolom, hogy amit csináltál, az nem volt normális.
Ez azt jelenti, Hook, letartóztatjuk vérfertőzés miatti házassága miatt.
Wait, what?
You can't be serious, can you?
Mi csak a munkánkat végezzük, Bird úr.
But you don't understand. He has done nothing wrong. He's innocent.
Maradj csendben, különben téged is megbilincselünk. Vidd őt.
What do you want? Where's Arya? What have you done to her?
See for yourself.
Oh my god. Arya. No. Who did this to you? Say something, please. Don't die in here.
You know we belong together. You and I forever and ever. Until the end of time. I'm yours and you are mine. Ooh, I couldn't spend another minute